Okay, so let's look at almost, all, alone, alone, and always. So almost, so close, not quite, very close. So like 99.99%, almost. The novel is almost finished. I've almost recorded the video. I've almost read all the books. I've almost finished this one. I almost went there last year. I almost said it. Now, alone, by itself, none or nothing else. He was all alone last night. I am going to go on a road trip alone to Scotland. I live alone. I eat alone. I go to the gym alone and exercise. Because I live alone, I don't talk to anyone. Alone, by myself. I I travel to the gym alone. I walk alone. I exercise alone. Eat alone. Live alone. But I don't bike alone. I go biking with my friends. Yeah, alone. Just me. He was all alone last night. Okay, and always, all the time, at every chance. She is always here. I always go to the gym. I always have another video to record. I always have more ideas. Ah, how cool is that? I always know what to do next. I always have a plan. I'm always looking forward to the future. I am always planning where to go next. Scotland, Wales, Spain, Mexico. I will always travel. I will always travel. I always have an idea. Yes, let's move this a little bit. Yes. How cool is that, Language Explorers? So, almost, alone, and always. Always. Yeah. How cool is that? Let's keep exploring.